Welcome to the Petite Fille Crochet Overview, custom 18-inch doll clothing made with love. I'm Chantel Harris, the founder, and I'll be your host today. Our specialty is affordable custom clothing for 18-inch dolls, which is very hard to find. Many young ladies have a hard time dressing their dolls, such as American Girl, Our Generation, Madame Alexander. Our strategy is to become known for the fine custom crochet items, generate revenue by targeting girls ages 7 to 14, and those trying to buy gifts for them. We market as thank you gifts for high-end birthday parties. Items are made by at-home mothers looking to earn a little extra cash with a fun hobby. So, what makes our product wonderful? We have a niche product offering seasonal clothing items such as these hats, and they're crocheted quickly and with custom materials. This one is made out of cotton. Here's another hat that is fuzzy for warmth for the baby doll. And then we have the scarf set. This is one of our more popular things. People have shown more interest in this. It's a matching scarf for me, baby and me. And hat and purse set. Here's the hat. That's a little beret. And there's the purse that goes along with it. And that actually opens and you can put little things inside of it. Finally, we have the lace-up dress. This lace-up dress is made of cotton and two-tone cotton and has lace in the back that ties at the bottom, or you can pull it and have it tie in the middle. If you see right there around the middle, there's a nice little tie there that the little girl can pull tight. Finally, we have a product that we're trying to expand more, which is our vest. This is a 70s style vest, popular for the Julie doll, and it's also made out of cotton, and you can see how it has this fun button on the front of it and a fun design on the back. What our product did. So we anticipated that our product would have revenue of 17% of our revenue would be hats, 25 purses, 25 the scarves, and 33 for the lace-up dress. And with that, that's about what it did without charging for labor. My labor was being reinvested into the company, and so without charging for labor, we were at a very high profit margin, which was 90% on the lace-up dress, 93 on the baby and me scarf, 93 on the purse beret set, and 95 on the hats. However, once I computed in what you would have to pay for labor, paying other at-home moms minimum wage, which is $7.25 is federal minimum wage, I found that selling at the prices we were would give us a loss on our lace-up dress. The other items still had a good profit margin of 23, 29, and 21%. So here's the breakdown of the items. Here's what we sold up here. You could see the hats and the purses. This is the sales price. We did end up selling, at this point, we've sold one of each. We have other orders that are interested. Our cost was very low as most of the items were already on hand and yarn is cheap. Production time was not too long because I'm fast at crocheting. So when you calculate in though what labor costs would have been on those, we end up finding labor costs would have been $27.05, cost of materials $22.25. So our total would have been $27.75, leaving us only with a profit of $2.25. Our profit margin ended up being an average of 10%, but that's taking into account the negative 19% by the lace-up dress, as we lost money on that if we were paying for labor, which again my labor was just reinvested into the company. So here down here is a matrix that I'm using to estimate our new profits and our new products. Here's the desired markup rate. Here's our rate of pay, which is $7.25 federal minimum wage, and the items are being rounded up to the nearest dollar. So here's the new prices: $6 for the hats, $9 for the beret purse, $9 for baby and me scarf, and the lace-up dress is $18, giving us a nice hefty profit margin for each item. With the profit margins adjusted, we would now have 41% of our total revenue as dresses, 14% hat, 24% purse, and 21 scarves. Our advertising during this campaign was through Facebook and word of mouth. We did not get to do their advertising blitz because they have to charge extra for that, more above the $20 that we had for our working budget. However, I do feel like we were successful in reaching out and getting the word out, as we have some other customers that are interested in the product. Overall, moving forward, we would be adjusting pricing, increasing the advertising, seeking employees who want to work out of the home to be able to do this, and then track and adjust our product numbers as we move forward. Thank you for joining me for this overview of Petite Fille Crochet.